So I woke up today and there's like all this stuff and like my room was pounding and moving around. Bang, bang, bang. I was like, then I remembered, oh that's right, they're starting work on the roof today. And it's really humid and the sky is looking like that. I'm probably gonna get rained on because I couldn't find my mini umbrella. And I was like, gotta go to work. To the workout class. I'll tell you what, that's the first time I've ever referred to it as my work. Because it doesn't feel like work. I show up, I do my class, and then I leave. Unlike my full-time job, which everyone is so mad at the office because like a bunch of people got screwed over with raises and bonuses. I did not personally, but because I'm the least experienced person and I had the least amount of stuff going on, it's hard to screw me over because I used to live off of tips when I was a bartender for the most part. This income is significantly better, so kind of hard for me to feel screwed over, but I do feel bad for everyone else who legitimately was, like the people who didn't get raises for BS reasons, like the guy who's been there for 32 years as a tow motor driver. You've maxed out on what you can get paid. We can't give you your guaranteed yearly raise. Like, yeah, you can. Man, like, this is why people don't stay at jobs long term, you know? It's because, oh, you've been here a while, we're not going to benefit you for staying with us. And a lot of jobs do that. Well, you're at the cap, you're at the cap. Okay, then I'm going to leave where I can get my cap. Although the benefit to being, because the other people the people in the office have only been there for like 2 or 3 years, and he's been there for 30 something. And so because of that, and he can take his retirement like whenever he wants. So if they tick him off enough, he can just leave, and we don't have another tow motor driver. Like, we have a backup person, but the backup person told them he won't take the job full time unless they meet his current wage. Because they're like, yeah, if you take that job full time, then you have to take a pay cut. And he's like, nah, then I'm not taking it. Like, I'll be your backup person on his days off, because then he still gets his regular pay. But, so they don't have a tow motor driver. And, yeah, a lot of people are just like, they're on the edge. At least on my shift. Okay, so my work's getting kind of silly because now they're like, you're not allowed to, so my work is getting silly because now they're telling us we're not allowed to charge any of our like phones or devices at work because the new product things that we got in take too much power, and that when we charge our stuff, it's too much power. So that's fun. Also, our trash compactor. Oh, did you guess that it's broken and now we don't have anywhere to put trash? And it's only Tuesday. It's quite fun. By the way, look at my hydrangeas. They're gorgeous. Oh, I love these. What are you doing? Huh? So, Mia, you now have all the trivia knowledge in the world because all we've done is play trivia. How do you...
a gas car.
Never seen it. Mom, were you ever alive? That's what I'm learning through these quizzes.
Yeah, that's I see Luca.
I guess I don't like sleep or good lighting. Like, things are roped off everywhere. We had to park in the back, and there's just tools and like harness ropes and stuff all over the place. And I feel so shattered. We did some weightlifting today, and then I went to yoga. And because I didn't sleep very well, kind of feeling doomed. And plus, I have to keep my window closed. I just want to sleep. Do I look dead? I feel dead. I have to get over to the gym, and I'm really behind because of the not sleeping that occurred. I didn't even bother to rebrush my hair. You might be able to tell. But I did remember to put some sunscreen on. So I'm going to go do this, and good. There's just stuff everywhere, all from the getting done. The boys are in the pool. I am definitely repurchasing like the big pack of the Patchology Restoring Night Eye Gels. The big pack is so worth it. These feel nice. I feel like I'm gonna pass out though. TP. Okay, so I know it's hard to tell, but I went very pink, like pink chicks. I have Orgasm gloss on. This is a baked in blush from Laura Geller. I have Laura Geller powder foundation and just like some bright pink with some really basic liner and mascara. Something simple. I have to wear jeans, like full jeans when I get to work, but before I get there, I'm going to throw my shorts on, be as comfortable as possible until then. And I finished a painting, and I'm going to put this one in at work to hang up. I meant to bring it with me the last few times and I kept forgetting. I smell good though. I have the Sol de Janeiro body care Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So, and I'm thinking that even though it's ahead of time, I'm thinking that for winter, like usually I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go for peppermint or vanilla, cinnamon. I think this year, turned around for better lighting, I think this year for the things, I'm gonna go for like coconut or caramel, go for more summer scents just so that I stay more up. Because I do tend to get a little bit in the winter, and I've already been in the summer, so I'm like, I have to do something about that.